Hi techies, in this video I'm gonna explain what is the difference between equals method and double equals operator in Java. So for this I have just created one sample code. If you see here, I just created one package sample. In that I have created one class sample and I have written some main method for execution. So because the main I mean the in Java the execution starts from main method only. So the first I have declared these strings like s1, s2, s3 and initialized the value with Java. So in the third, if you see s3, I just created um, new new of string Java. So I just used the new keyword so that it just going to create as a new object, new string object of Java. So I passed the s1, s2, s3 for all three variables. I just passed the values Java only. So if we print this comparison, I just used s1 double equals to s2 in one print statement, and in second statement s1 double equals to s3, and in fourth print statement I used s1 dot equals of s2, and fourth print statement I used s1 dot equals of s3. So like this I have written the code. If we run this, if the values are equal, then if the strings are equal, it's just going to return true, otherwise it returns false. But I've passed all the values as Java only for all the strings, so all should be true, right? But here if you see, in reality it is not true. The second statement gives false. Why? Most of the people think this double equals and equals operator is same. It works as the same. It will compare the values. It's not the same because this double equals is going to compare the addresses of this string. If the addresses of this string is matches, then it will gives the true. But equals is not like that. It just compare the values of the strings. That's why it's written both values as true. Why S1 S I mean S1 S3 is pointing to the different addresses? Because it's written false, right? Why it's written false means, if you see here, I just created a new object. S3 I have created as a new object, and there I have passed Java for that object, right? So it's going to store in the heap memory. S3 string is going to store in the heap memory. S1, S2 is going to store in the constant memory. I will explain this with one diagram so that you can understand well. If you see this diagram, the outer box is heap memory and the inner box is constant pool memory. This constant pool memory is one of the separate memory in the heap memory. So this constant memory will have the string values. So this s1 equals to s1 equals to Java, s2 equals to Java. This we declare as normal, like not with a new keyword. It's not a new object. That's why it's stored in the constant pool memory. And whatever we created as a new object s3, that it's created in the heap memory only, but outside of the constant pool memory. That's why S3 and S1 addresses are different, because these are stored in the different memory addresses. So you understood, right? What is the difference between the equals and equals method and double equals operator? So equals method is just going to compare the values of the string, not the addresses, and double equals is going to compare the addresses of the string. If the address of the string is same, so it's going to give the true, otherwise it's a false. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section of this video. Thank you.